I'm Hank Hill.
You do?
Is that you? Who the hell is that?
Oh, it's King of the Hill.
Let me explain. I've got the strangest feeling someone's gonna kick his ass. Bobby! 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 Carlos?
I doubt it.
So, are you Chinese or Japanese?
Neither.
Stop making such a big deal out of it. Let's say I want a hammer. Do you know what a hammer is? A damned hammer. No, stop, please.
What am I doing?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
Now you listen to me, mister. Mister, I have not begun to project my anger onto you.
Okay, start.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick, you big baby! I apologize for yelling at you, but you just don't listen. It's like you got a problem with concentration.
You're making me lose.
Son, you're teasing the gorilla in the monkey house.
You just killed me.
Shut the hell up.
Oh.
Well, I'd like to tell you what Strickland can do to meet your energy needs.
What can it do?
Hey, I'm looking for a tap and die and some WD-40. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Ow.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my god.
What?
You're making me die.
What is that chinging noise?
It's probably me losing.
Excuse me? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick, you big baby! I went in there and fixed her like fixing a carburetor. And you know what? It was fun. What are you implying?
That you're gay.
What?
That you're gay.
Shut the hell up.
No.
Let me explain. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Because you're gay?
Son, you're teasing the gorilla in the monkey house.
Alright, I'm turning this off.
What the hell kind of country is this where I can only hate a man if he's white?
Oh, well, stuff.
Shut the hell up.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes, all right.
One second.
So, are you Chinese or Japanese?
If I had to choose, I'd choose Japanese.
Well, I guess. Yes.
Yeah, and
Bobby!
Japanese too.
Bobby! Is that you? Bobby! I just woke up.
Why isn't this working?
What are you talking about?
My iPod. I'm trying to play something and it's not working.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
You said that already 3 times.
Let's say I want a hammer. Do you know what a hammer is?
No.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself?
No.
Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick, you big baby!
Okay.
Yes. What is that chinging noise?
You probably. I'm not making.
My God, are you still talking?
Yes.
Why is she still talking?
You're right. Bye.
Excuse me?